Did you know a suburban father secretly murdered over 100 people for 30 years? Richard Kuklinski seemed like any other dad in New Jersey, coaching his kids' sports and grilling burgers on weekends. But he was actually one of America's most prolific contract killers. They called him the Iceman because of his signature move. After each kill, he would store bodies in industrial freezers for months, completely confusing investigators about the time of death. He used everything from cyanide to guns to blunt objects, whatever the job required. His family never suspected a thing. Perfect husband by day, cold-blooded killer by night. In 1986, an undercover agent finally caught him on tape, bragging about his methods. He detailed every technique, boasting that he never left witnesses alive. When police arrested him, his own wife and children were completely shocked. The devoted family man had been living a double life for 3 decades. He got life in prison, but his family's trust was shattered forever.